In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Make.com API key. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or someone just getting started with API keys, this guide will simplify the process for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create an API token within Make.com's platform, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Make.com account. Head over to their login page, enter your credentials, and hit sign in. Once you're logged into your account, glance up to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This is where Make.com houses important user settings and where specifically you'll find the API token management area. According to Make.com's official documentation, API tokens are something you'll manage inside these profile settings. Our next step is to locate the API Access, or simply the API tab. Now, depending on which version of the user interface you are currently using, this tab could be labeled either API Access or just API, so keep an eye out for both as we proceed. Once you've located it, click on the tab, and this will bring you to the main page where you can manage any and all of your API tokens. Now comes the exciting part. We're going to create a new API key. You'll see a button labeled Plus Add Token. Click on this button to begin the process of generating your new Make API key or token. Once you're on this page, it's time to add some details about your token. First, enter a descriptive label for your token. This could be something like My Automation API, or any other label that helps you easily identify what this key will be used for. Next up are the permissions or scopes that your key will have. This is a crucial step, as assigning the right permissions will ensure that your key functions as intended without granting unnecessary access. You can choose from different scopes like scenarios. Read, scenarios write, or connections. Read. It's generally good practice to only select the exact permissions you need for your application to limit exposure. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, the only thing left to do is either click on Save or Add depending on the prompt available. This will finalize and instantly generate your new API key. Remember to store this key in a secure location since it grants access to your Make.com environment. And that wraps up the process of generating an API key on Make.com. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Keep a lookout for more tutorials to make your digital tasks that much easier.